So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in SFC /scan now and then click on enter. Now while this is running, we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. Then you want to run the scan as well. Now while this is loading as well, we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're going to type in CHKDSK /F /R. Click on enter. And now you want to wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /start component cleanup and click on enter. Then you want to run this as well. Now we have one more command that we need to type in. So you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. You want to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. And then you want to run this as well. So now once you've run all of these scans, once it's all completed, you just want to restart your computer. And now once your computer is turning back on, it's going to ask you to skip disk checking. You do not want to skip disk checking, so do not press on any key, and then it's going to start running disk checking for you. So I did not press on any key and now it's doing disk checking. So now once everything's been completed, the problem should be fixed.